Asus ROG Strix Scope 2 96 Wireless stands out as the best gaming wireless keyboard for 2024. This keyboard impresses with its solid build and exceptional battery life. It offers 3 connectivity options: 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and wired via USB-C, giving you the flexibility to adapt to any gaming scenario. Despite its compact 96% layout, it retains a numeric keypad while saving desk space. The Asus ROG NX Snow switches provide precise tactile feedback and are built for durability, ensuring a top-notch gaming experience. The high-quality keys and factory-lubricated ROG NX Snow and Storm switches deliver a smooth and responsive feel thanks to their stabilizers and pads that evoke a damper sensation. Connectivity is a major highlight. Like the Keras 2 Ace mouse, this keyboard can connect to multiple devices simultaneously. You could switch between the wired, Bluetooth, or wireless modes, benefiting from the ROG Omni USB dongle that ensures near-zero delay thanks to ROG SpeedNova technology. Plus, there's a handy compartment in the keyboard to store the dongle. The included wrist rest, which attaches via magnets, adds comfort whether you're gaming intensely or using the keyboard more casually. The faux leather texture of the wrist rest gives it a premium feel, enhancing your overall gaming setup. With its compact design, reaching any key is effortless, and the function keys are optimized for quick access to Xbox game controls and recording features. Versatility is further emphasized by programmable buttons and a multifunctional knob that lets you control everything, including the stunning RGB lighting, an essential feature for any gaming gear. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here.